Hi, this is my first attempt at teaching how to format a book for my class for Jaden. Be my first attempt to teach you how to do this for your sister's book. And thing we're going to do is assume that the student knows how to use a word processor because we're going to be using computers. We're going to be computer savvy. So I'm going to be using OpenOffice.org. Works a lot like it. You got your manuscript, like I have here on the right, as a PDF of The Fisherman and the Mermaid, my new story. And then on the left is my is where I'm working on it. Um, and so this is what the pages want to look like. So the way that the numbers have to be set up for margins is we go to Format Page, and you set up two columns with at 4 inches and an inch and a half in the middle for the column in the middle, with the page looking like this: letter, landscape, um, and the main part of it is mirrored. You can do mirrored or you can do left and right, but that's basic word processing. So it's about a half a margin on the outside is desirable, and then an extra half a margin on the left side of the book for the Japanese stab binding, which is the important part. So you need an extra half inch on the inside of the book for Japanese stab binding. So on the right pages, it's an extra half inch on the left, and for the left pages, it's an extra half inch on the right. So you want to lay out your book to basically look like this, with the big margin on the left for the right pages, which are numbered 1, and the big margin on the right for the left pages, which are numbered 2. They're on the left side of the book. So your odd numbers are on the right. So you set that up in your when you know how to use Word or OpenOffice over here in Styles and Formatting under left page and right page, or however you do that. People already know how to do that. First one is your cover image. Then the back of that page, which is your left page, is your other books by, which I got from Bantam House and some Hemingway books. And then the following page on the right page is the title. And then the following page, which is the back of that, you can have your cover image again that's going to face your title page, which is your next page. And this is a common way to, this is the way I lay this out to look. Publishing page next. You put your copyright and your name and some contact and fancify that however you want. Then you go to your styles and formatting and you set up right page and left page. And you put a footer so that you can put page numbers in. When you start page 1, you put page 1, and then you put a footer in with page 2. And then you put the books next to each other. The whole book has to be the same thing on the left side as it is the right for page 1. And then you'll go down to the next one, page 2, and that will be printed on the back side of that. And then you do that, and you continue that down through your whole book. Opposite. All the odd pages on the right, and the even pages on the left. Alright, there's part 1.